Hey YouTube, my name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to be fully trying out the Sleipnir Gearshift, which this video is a follow-up to my previous one where I installed it. And so I thought, what better way to try it out than on one of the first game's missions. And in this video, I'm going to attempt to complete Mission 7 on, I think, Veteran difficulty was the last one I was playing. I don't remember though. We'll see in a moment. Yeah, I can't remember the difficulty, but I think it's Veteran, but I don't remember. Anyway, we'll see what I can do. I think I have a Quasar here. If not, I'll buy one. Yeah, I have a Quasar. Okay, so we're gonna take the Quasar. And I have 5 ammo supplies, ammo counts, whatever. Okay, 430 SB, AS missile, railgun, 67 chain gun. Yeah, that's pretty standard. Right, okay. Well, whatever. I can't guarantee I'll beat this, but let's try. Even though I have beaten the game before. I'll just start it in neutral. And you probably noticed that the LEDs are blue. This is because I intend to put this into my blue set, but obviously in my previous video I put it into my green set just because I wanted to see what the installation process was like first. And also because in my blue set, the Gearshift LEDs haven't fully burnt out yet. Maybe just the neutral one, but all the other ones are still kind of working, so that's why I figured I'd just put in my green set just to try it out. Okay, here we go. So basically, all I have to do in this mission is basically infiltrate the factory and take down the Jarlaxle NS. Like having the bigger map. Oh, I meant to go down the further entrance. Oh well, it's fine, I'll just go around this hill. Turn on FSS as well. So as you can see on the map, there's one little square there, or one little pentagon, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what shape that is. It's like a triangle on top of a rectangle. It's a Vits. Okay, I hit it once. And boom. 430 SB is really easy against the Vins. The Vins? The Vits. Okay, there's the Jar N down. And goodbye. There's another enemy around this hill. Guess I'm not in range to see it yet. I think it's right around the corner. Over there. Another Vits. I think I was too far on that one. This is the first time I'm able to actually properly capture footage because I didn't have a proper component capture card until I think about a month ago maybe. So all I've ever shown from Steel Battalion is either I recorded it with my camera, which is not great, or it was from looking at replays. The gear shift feels good, though. No complaints. I think the only reason why it's maybe getting a little bit stuck is because I need more lithium grease on the gear shift here, but that's not because of the one that's not because of what Harcroft made. That's just because I need to add it to make it more smooth when I'm shifting. Besides, this green set's not my main Steel Battalion controller anyway. Obviously, that's my blue one. Oh, I was too far. It's just a giraffe, so... There we go. And we made it in. I don't think I took a single hit. Well, either way, I'm going to call Argus. I think it's the second one. Or Wagon Master, not Argus.
Wagon Master, this is Oscar 3. Do you copy? Over.
This is Wagon Master. Oscar 3, what is it?
This is Oscar 3.
And now this will send some backup so that I can at least get more ammo, because I used one mag.
Roger that.
At least for the 430 SB. And now we wait, and you can see that blue little blip, which is Wagon Master. Should be... Yeah, there you go. On his way here. More ammo, please. Oh, I can't even see him anymore. Pull out the manipulator because I need it for the door right there. That little box on the wall. And I think we're good. Once the X goes away, you know for sure. I got more fuel too. There we go. Done. What's nice about the Sleipnir gear shift is that it won't wear out. I almost fell there. It won't wear out because of how it was designed. I'm going to swap to the chain gun so that I can take out these small vehicles. There we go. I didn't need to, but whatever. I could have just driven by. No big deal, though. Okay, stop. A little closer. There we go. Put the manipulator away. And there's one right here. It's a jar C. And there we go. Piece of cake. Oh, yep, I forgot about that. I got it, though. I think I didn't get hit there. Yeah, because all the lights would have flashed on the controller if I got hit, so I'm pretty sure I'm good. I think I'm halfway between the door and not. Just shift it back down to first. And there we go. Just barely tapped the dodge pedal so that I could center myself here. Oh yeah, and I can flip these back because in the first game, these are only used once, the toggle switches. So, literally after you start up the flicking of the switches, you honestly can just flick them back afterwards. And it's fine. That teammate or friendly is going to get destroyed right about now. And I am going to gun it across the bridge because I'm going to fight them the cheap way and basically just dodge between the door and, well, the enemies. Going across the bridge, and you cannot touch me. Okay, I fell, but to be fair, they cannot hurt me here, so it's fine. And you don't take damage for falling like that, I don't think. Pretty sure you don't. If you do, then whatever. I'm dumb, but I'm pretty sure you don't. Oops, I was in reverse. Pretty sure you don't take damage for that. There's some small enemies on the ground. And they shoot missiles, which I just chaffed. There we go. Got him. Very easy. The good news is I don't need to waste fuel going to check for the Quasar because I'm already in the Quasar, so... Because the way you get the Quasar is that it's hidden in one of the 4 rooms on this map. And that's how you unlock it, but... I don't need to do that because I already have it, like I just finished saying. Okay, so now we're going to turn on Override, and this is a technique I saw already use on Mission 23. You just dodge in and out of the door to get every single one, because those guys do not move. That was close. I accidentally got stuck on the door button. Uh-oh. That was very close. Okay. There we go. One more time. One more time. There we go. And now we can proceed to the final floor. I mean, unless I want to back up and refuel. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, turn this off. I'm going to cut this out so you don't have to watch me going back the boring way, but yeah, I'm going to refuel, just to be safe. Aw, just too far. But yeah, the gear shift is amazing. I very much recommend getting the Sleipnir if yours is worn out or stops functioning properly. Okay, so we got some small enemies up ahead. Okay, got stuck on the door a little, but we're okay now. There should be one that comes out of the corner on the right. Right here. Yep, here we go. And shoot. There we go. Another one. Shoot. Chaff. Good, I didn't get hit. Manipulator for the door. And then the NS is the one that I'm more afraid of. Because, if it gets you with your cutter boom, you're basically dead. So I gotta... Okay, first of all, I'm gonna swap to the railgun. And second... we gotta get rid of the manipulator very quick. Oh, snap. Oh. Chaff. Okay, hit it with the railgun. Oh, crap. I'm taking hits. I should really turn on override because it's got a... There we go. Got it. I did it. Let's go. GG. That's game.
Oscar 3, you alright?
And there you have it. So, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time. And yes, I would 100%, once again, recommend the Sleipnir Gearshift. It's very easy to install, and it works just beautifully. So once again, thank you for watching. Until next time.